Hello everyone, welcome to English for Oil and Gas. Today's topic is leading oil and gas companies. You can see on the screen top 10 oil and gas companies in the world. And oil companies can be divided into different types. And you can see types of companies in oil and gas industry. Oil and gas industry is the biggest industry in the whole world. It drives all local and international markets, controls governments, raises up or lowers economy of different countries, causes wars with huge losses or establishes new civilizations. You must know it is the first factor that has affected the technology for the past 100 years. So, such a big industry must have a large number of sectors, companies and labors with high profits. Then there are several sectors of this industry to integrate: the exploration, production, refining, transportation, petrochemical and other related processes to make the best use of the black gold. Major businesses of companies involved in oil and gas industry: exploration and production company, oil field service company, drilling contractors, pipeline company, EPC contractors, refinery, petrochemical company, automation and systems. So let's consider exploration and production companies. E&P stands for exploration and production. It is in a specific sector within the oil and gas industry. Companies involved in the high risk or high reward area of exploration and production focus on finding, augmenting, producing and merchandising different types of oil and gas. It's also called owner companies, where it owns mineral rights of oil and gas in reservoir. E&P is known as the upstream segment of the oil and gas industry. The resource owners and operators of E&Ps work with a variety of contractors such as engineering, procurement and construction contractors and oil field service. The E&P company may consist of a joint venture partnership between other larger corporations. They are the main player in oil and gas markets, where they own the oil and lead the market prices and the whole industry. Most reputed E&P companies are Royal Dutch Shell, ExxonMobil, British Petroleum and others. Let's see what Royal Dutch Shell is. So, Royal Dutch Shell is E&P company founded in 1907. So it is located in The Hague, Netherlands. Revenue is $170.2 billion. It is a British-Dutch oil and gas company. It's one of the oil and gas supermajors. It's an integrated company and is active in every area of the oil and gas industry, including exploration, production, refining, transport, distribution and marketing, petrochemicals, power generation and trading. It also has renewable energy activities, including biofuels, wind energy. So the next one is ExxonMobil. So it is also an EP company. So it was founded in 1882, location Irving, Texas. So you can see its revenue as well. It is $236.8 billion. It is an American multinational oil and gas corporation headquartered in Irving, Texas. So it was formed on November 30th, 1999 by the merger of Exxon and Mobil, and was called ExxonMobil. So its activities are in oil and gas exploration and production, also in refining and chemicals. British Petroleum is the next company which I am going to talk about. So it was founded in 1909, located in London, England. So its revenue is $303.7 billion. It is a vertically integrated company operating in all areas of the oil and gas industry, including exploration and production, refining, distribution and marketing, petrochemicals, power generation and trading. It also has renewable energy interests in biofuels, wind power and solar technology. So today's topical vocabulary is on the screen. So if we consider some terms used in oil and gas industry and some new phrases for you, the first one is leading oil and gas companies. Ведущие нефтегазовые компании. Exploration is translated like разведка. Разведка месторождения. Hydrocarbons. Углеводороды. Oil and gas production. Добыча нефти и газа. Transport, transportation we say. Транспортировка. Storage. Хранение. Oil refineries. НПЗ, сокращенно, это нефтеперерабатывающие заводы. Petrochemicals, нефтепродукты. Advanced technologies, передовые технологии. Plants, заводы. Oil products, нефтепродукты. Consumers, потребители. Everyday items, предметы ежедневного обихода. And headquarters, штаб-квартира, либо головной офис компании. Alright, so please repeat after me. Leading oil and gas companies. Exploration. Hydrocarbons. Oil and gas production. Transportation. Storage. Oil refineries. Petrochemicals. Advanced technologies. Plants. Oil products. Consumers. Everyday items. Headquarters. Well done. So, I am going to give you some tasks. So we are going to read a text, but before reading the text, I want you to answer the questions. So the author of the next reading worked for BP company in Great Britain. What would you like to know about his experience? You should add 3 of your own questions to the list below. The first 2 questions are in the table already. The first question is, where is the headquarters of the company located? The second question, what does this company produce? So you can add some more questions. And after reading the text, you'll find the answers to these questions. So let's read the text. The business of British Petroleum. British Petroleum is one of the world's leading oil and gas companies. Every day we aim to build an even safer, stronger and better performing company to provide the energy that heats our homes, fuels our vehicles and powers of our businesses. Our job starts upstream where we find and produce oil and gas, and continues downstream where we convert it into fuels, lubricants and the petrochemicals. Exploration is one of BP's distinctive strengths. After negotiating and acquiring the rights to explore, we deploy our specialist skills and advanced technologies. British Petroleum specializes in seismic imaging to locate oil and gas fields, which can be miles beneath the Earth's surface or miles beneath the seabed. We specialize in deep water operations and giant fields from Prudhoe Bay in Alaska to Ramallah in Iraq to PSVM in Angola. When it makes business sense for BP, we bring the oil and gas to the surface and either sell it to the market or supply it to our downstream operations. British Petroleum upstream segment produces around 2.3 billion barrels of oil and gas per day and has proved reserves equivalent to over 11 billion pounds in key locations around the world, including Angola, Azerbaijan, the United Kingdom North Sea, the Gulf of Mexico in the United States. We manage several complex gas value chains, bringing gas to Asia, Europe, and other markets. Our extensive transport network includes ships, trains, trucks, and thousands of miles of pipelines. We use our supply skills and the skills of knowledge of our expert traders based in key markets around the world to buy and sell to regional, and international markets. Supply and trading is closely linked with our portfolio of high-quality downstream activities that add value by turning oil and gas safely and efficiently into premium products. Our refineries apply the latest technology and understanding to refine process blend hydrocarbons to make fuels, lubricants, and petrochemicals. We then supply consumers and other end users with energy for heat and light, advanced lubricants to keep engines moving, and premium fuels for transportation. Our world-leading processes produce petrochemicals such as acetic acid, from which a wide variety of everyday items are made. BP's lower carbon businesses are managed through our alternative energy team, where we develop and invest in air fuels with a focus on integrating them into the hydrocarbon value chain, and operate a wind business in the United States. BP is a focused oil and gas business actively managing our portfolio of bills, projects, refineries, plants, of networks to maximize value safely and responsibly. So, we have read the text. Please match the following headings with the sections of the text. So, the first heading is investing in renewable energy. The second, developing and extracting oil and gas. The third, manufacturing fuels and products. 4, finding oil and gas. 5, marketing fuels and products. And the last one, transporting and trading oil and gas. So, if you have matched these headings with the sections of the text, so you have understood the text. And in order to see and find answers to the questions like what areas of the oil and gas industry does BP operate in, we need to review the text again and discuss the following. So, what areas, sectors of the oil and gas industry does BP operate in? Okay. What volume of oil and gas is produced per day by the BP company? Okay. Name the key locations of oil and gas fields where BP operates. Describe the marketing part in BP's business model. How does it work? Does the BP company invest in renewable energy projects? All right, well done. Yes, it does.